So I'm going to talk about higher education in Korea. Education has been considered an important right for long in Korean society, and higher education has been no exception to this rule. The top most prestigious schools are located in the capital Seoul. All schools outside are strictly secondary rank, but with their own hierarchy. When it comes to universities, Seoul National University, Yonsei University, and Korea University, which forms the acronym SKY, also located in Seoul, rank among the top three schools in the country. Now, a parenthesis here regarding these three institutions. According to a 2016 study, almost half of the executives affiliated of the nation's top 10 companies, like LG, Samsung, were found to be graduates of South Korea's leading three universities. The college enrollment rate in Korea jumped from 27.2% in 1980 to an astounding 72% in 2012. And the Korean government has further built a lifelong education system to increase and expand educational opportunities, amending the 1999 Lifelong Education Act to improve its quality in society. So, how is higher education classified? What are the categories? Higher education in Korea can be classified into four categories: colleges and universities, teachers' colleges and colleges of education, air and correspondence universities and open universities, and theological colleges, seminaries, and others. So the Korean government set a minimum admission requirement for higher education, and these are a high school certificate and a college scholastic aptitude test score known as the CSAT, and 250 points out of 400 is the minimum amount needed to pass the entry requirement to this test. And students may choose from 226 undergraduate institutions, 160 junior colleges, and 11,097 graduate schools in the country. So junior colleges offer 2 to 3 year programs in vocationally oriented fields, leading to an associate degree. A standard bachelor's degree takes 4 years to complete, with a minimum of 130 credits to graduate, and an overall grade point average of at least a C. For a master's program, the requirement is of 2 years of full-time study, with a passing grade of a C. And the Ministry of Education supervises the Korean doctoral programs. So to obtain a degree, a dissertation, at least 36 credits, proficiency in 2 foreign languages, and a grade average point of B is required.